we are heading to the pop-up. Now this pop-up is supposed to be a big event. That's why we had to rent U-Haul. We brought literally all our stuff. That's not Dig. That's Bronson. Okay, we trying to find the street, guys. So, you want to turn and see? I see porta potties.
You do?
Yeah. Okay, so it is 6 o'clock. Oh. 6 o'clock in the morning. 6:04 in the morning, guys. We had to wake up at 4 o'clock. Then people already set up. And we're still late. People already set up. Is that dead end?
She could have.
All I'm saying is the instructions are horrible. Even the guy who work here don't know where to go.
How he gonna get through?
Well, we got a big load too. So basically we drive in a circle. The lady told us to come this way. Oh, wait, mama, back up. Alright, we finally in here, guys. It took us what, a damn near 30 minutes? Alright. Oh, they go, so hopefully we in here. Let's see.
Out of my hand. Yeah, and my
Alright. Oh, watch the door. Yeah, all this.
It's not even organized yet, but
all this we take out.
I'm scared about the doggone parking.
Yeah, me too. And I do not want to be under the tree. We under the tree, guys.
I'm going to ask her if we can come down.
But if we right here, we still under the tree.
Maybe she. Well, Ashley, there's no place here.
I know. It's fine.
Where you want to go?
Alright.
You want to go across from the good? Is she right, most lady?
What do you think? It's fine?
Huh?
You think it's fine?
I mean, I'm not. I don't know. Can we argue it?
Alright, guys. So this is our spot. We have to move kind of like it over there. Get that leg from me.
All right. One of the legs is not.
Oh, wait, we had to pull them down so I can hit that up.
Oh, I remember. So put it down more.
That dog's annoying.
There's a.
What's this for?
Garment bag.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're still setting up. Oh, the light is horrible. I'm sorry. So we're not even done setting up and we got a sale. So I'm going to package it right now. So we're all set up, you guys know. So I want to walk around to show you guys other people's vendors setups. Over here. I'm blue. Here. And this is like one of the stages already here. Okay. All the food trucks over here. Hi. Okay, so you do here. Hey. Oh. Stop by there real quick. Can I give you a flyer? We have an event. And we have vendors too if you want to be a vendor.
When's the event?
It's in July 10th.
Okay.
If you don't want to be a vendor, you can just come turn up. It's like a day party.
Sweet.
Thank you. You want a flyer? Hey. Okay, give you a flyer. We having a party and a day party. A day party, vendors, and all that.
Oh, okay. That's tonight?
No, it's not till July 10th.
It's cute.
It's nice over here.
Double X.
Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so the event doesn't start. Oh, this light is horrible. So the event doesn't start till 2 o'clock. I'm sorry, I had to clear my filter. So the event doesn't start till 2 o'clock. So I just passed out a few flyers. I need to pass out way more. But everyone looks nice. Like, it's so nice. Yeah. I'm impressed. Like, it looks really good. Alright guys, so walking back to our me and my mom's section. Alright.
Are these all the purses you have?
We have one right here.
You have, oh, I'm looking for one with that eyesight.
Thank you.